Good morning everyone, so we're looking at another Timex watch unboxing. Been quite eager to do this review, to be fair, because it's one of the Batman Deepwater Reef ranges. So initial look at the box, we've got a simple grey style box, simple function to it, nothing too fancy really, simple in weight as well, nice white branding on the top. The watch is housed on sort of like a ash grey style cushion and white interior box. And user information manual tucked inside there as well. So here we go guys, this is the Timex Deepwater Reef Batman edition. It has a 41mm case diameter with a 13mm case thickness. Weighs 92 grams and has a 2-year warranty when you order it from the Timex manufacturer itself. The actual price of this watch currently on Amazon, I think this is from the date that I'm doing the actual video, which is the 18th of March, is around about £165. I can't remember how much I paid for it now, to be fair. The actual quality of the quartz movement is quoted, but I couldn't tell you the exact spec of the actual quartz movement that's inside. I can tell you though it's plus or minus 20 seconds per month, so it's got a decent movement in the back there. So let's move on to the actual face. We've got obviously the GMT theme going on here. A black GMT style dial with red GMT hand, fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments, and that very unique style Timex hand format in terms of the shape. And a date dial at the 3 PM with a highly magnified date dial, which is quite nice. Got traditional style lume as well, not the old-fashioned sort of orangey colour. The whole watch is housed inside a stainless steel casing. No, sorry, not stainless steel, titanium casing. The Pepsi version of this watch is stainless steel, but the Batman version is titanium. You also get sapphire anti-reflective coated glass across the top and 200 meters water resistance as well. You've got a date window at the 3 PM as discussed, and super lumino but on those luminous hands there and increments. So you've got a really decent Swiss style lume on there. Coming out to the bezel, you've got a unidirectional bezel with a very nice clicker mechanism going on there. Really excellent movement to it as well, and slots into place really quite nicely. It's really nice and secure there, which is good. It's an old-fashioned sort of style, Submariner style, influenced by a Submariner style finish on the actual numbers and the dots and how the bezel fits onto the actual casing. Come around the side of the watch, you've got that titanium style casing with that brush finish on it. The actual casing it's got like multiple edges, so you've got one edge here, it curves round slightly and then curves finally round to the main casing here. Most watches just do the side where the crown is and then go straight round to where the dial is to see in front. So let's have a look at the crown. The crown's got a nice little red circular arrow on it. It's a screw down style crown with a decent pop to it. A nice well defined first position. It's quite easy to turn that date dial around. It's a little bit quick for my liking, but the actual weight behind the crown, you feel the quality there. Second position, again, a good well-defined second click and a nice strong movement to the second hand. Could feel stronger, but I think it feels just right. A nice firm push down as well, and a nice easy screw in with all the positions well defined. So coming down the strap, you've got a sort of a navy blue style strap, as you can see here. Complements that Batman theme quite nicely. The actual width of the strap is 22mm and it's made of synthetic rubber. It's not vulcanized or anything like that, not that I'm aware. It's got a sort of a sporty feel with these sort of bumpy ridges here. Coming down to the buckle, you've got a titanium buckle with that brush finish, as you can see on there. And the nice and reflective with the Timex embossing in there as well. Quite a traditional style synthetic rubber strap. A nice sporty backing to it as well. It's also got a quick release on the strap option available, so you can quickly snap on, snap off different straps based on what your tastes are. I feel like this navy blue strap does complement the watch quite nicely. I feel like it brings out that black, and then in that way it makes the blue a bit more well defined. But it'd be interesting to see it with a black strap. Nice Timex print on this. I imagine another one of these straps is probably quite expensive, probably about £20–30. A nice little hole there, nice little section as well. That's for your, I think that's for your strap to sit in, isn't it? Or is it just that sporty touch? Looking at the back plate, we've got a nice brush finish on the back plate, a screw down case back with the full markings and that Deepwater strap line in the back there. So there we go guys, that is the Timex Deepwater Reef Batman edition in the titanium casing.